We now take a look at the CitiesFragment class, which, as you can see down here on line 27, is a subclass of listFragment, and that's going to be used on the left side of our activity to display the list of cities. And a listFragment is similar in concept to a list activity, except that it's implemented as a fragment that gets housed, if you will, within an activity. So listFragment is one of the key new features in this class, and the other thing is we're also going to be implementing an on-item long-click listener. And you saw in the test drive that when the user long-clicks an item, let me just get back to the main screen here, so we're in the emulator at the moment. When the user long clicks an item, so I'm holding the mouse down for a while here on Denver, then we get this dialog that asks us if we want to set that city as the preferred city, to delete that city, or to simply cancel the dialog, which I will do in this case to return back to the screen. So let's take a look now at the beginning of our CitiesFragment class, and you can see here that we have a private integer current city index, which is the index of the city that's currently selected within the cities list. At line 32 we have a static string that we define, and this is for use when we save the state of this fragment when the activity that it's housed in goes into the background, and we'll see that in a little bit. We have a couple of other pieces of data here as well. We have the cities array list, which is going to keep track of the names of all the cities that are displayed. We also have a cities list change listener. Here is the interface cities list change listener, and whoever needs to be notified of those changes implements this interface in order to respond to those changes. And as we saw, we did that inside of the class weather viewer activity. We also have at line 36 an array adapter of strings, and we'll be populating the list view within our CitiesFragment using that array adapter. And then finally, just taking a look for a moment here at the interface cities list change listener, there's two methods in this interface. One is to say that the selected city changed, and the other is to say that the preferred city changed. And the reason we have the two different items is when we simply select a new city, all we want to do is change the forecast. But when we set a new city as the preferred one, we also want to move the asterisk or the star that indicates it's the preferred city to that new city, and we want to display the updated forecast as well.